bloodlust right from the start, just in case anyone dies.
Back off.
Alright, someone else take it.
You have 9 stacks, man.
Why do I have so many stacks, guys? Come on.
It's going
Come on.
fast.
I take after Wong, right? Yeah, I'll just take it now. Alright, Abe, you got that one. Who's after Abe? Alright, Wong. Then Orc guy. I think it's back to me. Even though our stacks aren't even, like, gone.
It's going so fast.
Orc guy, take the next one too, because I don't think you got any that time.
Why are you kiting? Oh, never mind.
Wong, you get that? Yeah, okay. Good job, good job. Shards over here. Two minutes till berserk. I need to get some stacks, guys. Let me get this. Alright. Nice job. Looks like a kill.
Almost there.
Remember the last time fucking we wiped like right here?
Yeah.
Fuck, dude. I think we got it.
Yeah, we got it for sure. Share the pain incoming.